Question 1. In Arizona, when you see the road construction ahead sign, what should you do? A. Speed up to get through the construction zone quickly. B. Maintain your current speed. C. Slow down and be prepared for changes in traffic flow. D. Ignore the sign, it's for construction workers only. Answer C. Slow down and be prepared for changes in traffic flow. Question 2. When you encounter a detour sign, what should you do? A. Continue driving in your current lane. B. Stop and wait for further instructions. C. Speed up to get ahead of other drivers. D. Follow the designated alternate route indicated by the sign. Answer D. Follow the designated alternate route indicated by the sign. Question 3. In Arizona, which of the signs below indicates a workers ahead sign? Sign A. Sign B. Sign C. Sign D. Answer Sign B. Question 4. This sign alerts drivers to A. A sharp bend to the left. B. An upcoming curve to the right. C. A detour to the right. D. A U-turn ahead. Answer B. An upcoming curve to the right. Question 5. What does the sharp right turn sign indicate to drivers? A. A gradual curve to the right. B. A reminder to stay in the left lane. C. The presence of a U-turn ahead. D. An upcoming sharp right turn. Answer D. An upcoming sharp right turn. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of the workers ahead sign? A. To alert drivers to the presence of construction workers on or near the road. B. To indicate the location of a nearby parking lot. C. To mark the exit for a highway rest area. D. To notify drivers about a speed limit change. Answer A. To alert drivers to the presence of construction workers on or near the road. Question 7. When approaching a winding road sign, what should you be prepared for? A. A straight and smooth road. B. Frequent curves and turns in the road. C. High-speed driving opportunities. D. Narrow lanes for passing. Answer B. Frequent curves and turns in the road. Question 8. This sign indicates A. A steep uphill road. B. A pedestrian crossing ahead. C. A sharp bend in the road to the right. D. A one-way street. Answer C. A sharp bend in the road to the right. Question 9. Which of these signs is a sharp right turn sign? Sign A. Sign B. Sign C. Sign D. Answer Sign D. Question 10. In a school crossing zone, what is the maximum speed limit when portable signs are in place? A. 25 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 15 miles per hour. D. 30 miles per hour. Answer C. 15 miles per hour. Question 11. This sign alerts drivers to A. An upcoming railroad crossing. B. A nearby airport. C. A construction area. D. A speed limit change. Answer A. An upcoming railroad crossing. Question 12. What does this sign indicate? A. Be prepared to stop. B. No stopping allowed. C. Merge left ahead. D. Caution, roadwork ahead. Answer: D. Caution, roadwork ahead. Question 13. What does the railroad crossing sign indicate to drivers? A. A construction area. B. A nearby airport. C. An upcoming railroad crossing. D. A speed limit change. Answer: C. An upcoming railroad crossing. Question 14. What does the detour sign indicate to drivers? A. Follow an alternative route due to a road closure or construction. B. You are on the correct route. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. D. Prepare to stop at the upcoming intersection. Answer: A. Follow an alternative route due to a road closure or construction. Question 15. Which of these signs indicates a railroad warning sign? Sign A. Sign B. Sign C. Sign D. Answer: Sign B. Question 16. In Arizona, when you encounter a workers ahead sign, what should you do? A. Speed up to pass through quickly. B. Maintain your current speed and lane. C. Slow down and be prepared for construction activity and workers on or near the road. D. Ignore the sign, it's for construction workers only. Answer: C. Slow down and be prepared for construction activity and workers on or near the road. Question 17. This sign alerts drivers to A. Upcoming toll booths. B. A school zone with reduced speed limits and increased pedestrian activity. C. The presence of wildlife on the road. D. An upcoming merge lane. Answer: B. A school zone with reduced speed limits and increased pedestrian activity. Question 18. What is the purpose of the right curve sign? A. To indicate the exit for a rest area. B. To notify drivers about a change in speed limit. C. To mark the location of a pedestrian crossing. D. To warn drivers of an upcoming curve to the right. Answer: D. To warn drivers of an upcoming curve to the right. Question 19. When you see the right sharp turn sign, what action should you take? A. Speed up and make the turn quickly. B. Signal for a left turn. C. Slow down and prepare for a sharp right turn. D. Keep driving straight ahead. Answer: C. Slow down and prepare for a sharp right turn. Question 20. Which of these signs is a school crossing sign? Sign A. Sign B. Sign C. Sign D. Answer: Sign A. Question 21. In Arizona, what is the primary purpose of channeling devices used in traffic management? A. To increase traffic speed. B. To guide traffic flow safely. C. To reduce fuel consumption. D. To enforce speed limits. Answer: B. To guide traffic flow safely. Question 22. What information can typically be found on an interstate route marker? A. The current time and date. B. The name of the nearest city. C. The route number and interstate designation. D. The names of nearby restaurants. Answer: C. The route number and interstate designation. Question 23. What do the numbers on a U.S. route marker sign represent? A. The route number of the highway. B. The number of lanes on the road. C. The distance to the nearest rest area. D. The speed limit on the road. Answer: A. The route number of the highway. Question 24. Which of these signs is a state route marker sign? Sign A, Sign B, Sign C, Sign D. Answer: Sign D. Question 25. What is the purpose of mile marker signs on highways? A. To indicate the nearest gas station. B. To show the current time. C. To measure the distance traveled on the road. D. To display historical information about the area. Answer: C. To measure the distance traveled on the road. Question 26. In Arizona, what does a flashing arrow panel typically indicate to drivers? A. The presence of a toll booth. B. A construction zone or lane closure ahead. C. A nearby rest area. D. The start of a speed limit zone. Answer: B. A construction zone or lane closure ahead. Question 27. Why are state route marker signs important for drivers? A. They provide information about upcoming toll booths. B. They indicate the presence of a school zone. C. They help drivers navigate and identify specific routes. D. They warn about wildlife crossings. Answer: C. They help drivers navigate and identify specific routes. Question 28. What is the primary purpose of electronic signs on roadways? A. To display weather forecasts. B. To provide traffic information and warnings. C. To promote local businesses. D. To play advertisements. Answer: B. To provide traffic information and warnings. Question 29. In Arizona, when you encounter the railroad crossing sign, what action should you take? A. Slow down, look for trains, and be prepared to stop if a train is approaching. B. Speed up to cross the railroad tracks quickly. C. Ignore the sign and maintain your current speed. D. Change lanes without signaling. Answer: A. Slow down, look for trains, and be prepared to stop if a train is approaching. Question 30. What does a broken yellow line on the road indicate? A. Passing is allowed only in one direction. B. No passing allowed in either direction. C. Passing is allowed in both directions. D. Parking zone ahead. Answer: C. Passing is allowed in both directions. Question 31. In Arizona, what should you do if you see a combination of solid and broken yellow lines on the road? A. Maintain your current speed. B. Exercise caution and follow the appropriate rules for passing. C. Speed up and pass any slower vehicles. D. Stop immediately. Answer: B. Exercise caution and follow the appropriate rules for passing. Question 32. What do the numbers on an interstate route marker sign represent? A. The distance to the next rest area. B. The number of lanes on the road. C. The population of the nearest city. D. The route number of the highway. Answer: D. The route number of the highway. Question 33. When can you legally cross double yellow lines? A. When you need to overtake a slower vehicle. B. When you are overtaking a bicycle. C. When you are turning left at an intersection. D. When you are driving in a residential area. Answer: C. When you are turning left at an intersection. Question 34. How can mile markers be helpful to travelers on long journeys? A. They help in estimating distances and tracking progress. B. They indicate the nearest gas stations. C. They provide information about upcoming toll booths. D. They display historical facts about the region. Answer: A. They help in estimating distances and tracking progress. Question 35. What is the primary purpose of broken white lines on the road? A. To indicate a pedestrian crosswalk. B. To guide drivers and designate lanes where lane changes are allowed. C. To warn drivers of a school zone. D. To mark a construction zone. Answer: B. To guide drivers and designate lanes where lane changes are allowed. Question 36. What type of information can electronic signs typically display? A. Local sports scores. B. Directions to local museums. C. Emergency alerts and traffic conditions. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Emergency alerts and traffic conditions. Question 37. What is the primary purpose of solid white lines on the road? A. To indicate a high-speed zone. B. To guide drivers in foggy conditions. C. To allow for lane changes at intersections. D. To prevent lane changes near intersections. Answer: D. To prevent lane changes near intersections. Question 38. In Arizona, what is the required action when traveling in a lane marked with a curved arrow and the word "only"? A. You must turn in the direction of the arrow. B. You can proceed straight or turn in any direction. C. You can choose to turn or go straight, but only during daylight hours. D. You must stop immediately. Answer: A. You must turn in the direction of the arrow. Question 39. What is the primary purpose of flashing arrow panels on the road? A. To indicate a nearby restaurant. B. To provide advance warning to drivers. C. To signal the end of a construction zone. D. To indicate a detour route. Answer: B. To provide advance warning to drivers. Question 40. This sign indicates: A. You may pass if it's safe. B. Merge into the oncoming lane. C. No passing allowed. D. Speed limit ahead. Answer: C. No passing allowed.